How to log in to TradingView application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Logging into the TradingView app gives you access to your saved charts, watch list, alerts, and personalized setting across your device. So in order to do that, first of all, launch the TradingView app on your device and make sure that you're inside this page. From here, go to the menu icon at the bottom right corner, and on the next page, select Sign In. Now you can sign into TradingView with email or username option, Google option, or Apple option, or you may also choose any other social options at the bottom of the screen. Just make sure that you select the same option that you previously used while signing up. I'm going to choose the email or username option. Now in this page, go ahead and type in your email or username and password associated with your TradingView account. If you don't remember your password, you can tap the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. But if you do, just type it down and tap Sign In. Soon after you do that, you will be logged into your TradingView account. You can now explore the charts, create watch lists, set alerts, and analyze the markets wherever you go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.